Alright, today's the day. We're going drifting. Been waiting for this for years. We finally get to go. First track day. So excited. We got it all loaded up. Tools, my helmet, whatnot. Got the jack stand, Milwaukee air pump, and the rest of the tires are gonna go in my girlfriend's car. And we'll be out of here in a little while. Oh yeah, they're partying. Starting to get it. Wasn't bad. Alright, we're gonna. Oh, that's the hum he's talking about. We're getting there, boy.
We getting there? That was the best one so far.
Guys, unfortunately that's all the footage I have for y'all today of my first drift event. Camera ended up dying like halfway through the day, so we missed some decent footage, but it was my first event, so there's really just a lot of spinning out and a lot of learning, so y'all didn't miss a whole lot, but for the next event we'll definitely have a charger so we can get more footage. Trying to figure out all day was tire grip. I run used tires simply because I can get them so cheap. It's the only reason I run them. I know new tires are so much more consistent, but it's what I got. So I was running like 40 psi on the rear, like 34 in the front, and just kept spinning. Felt like there wasn't much side bite, but I didn't really know because it was only my first track day. I wasn't sure if it was just me. One of the dudes from the track offered to drive my car. He had been drifting for a couple of years, and he was helping out at the event. And he spun out like 3 times, and he told me I should probably lower my tire pressure. So I lowered it down to like 35, and we could instantly feel an improvement there. Started to feel a lot better, and started to figure out how that works. Basically, lower the tire pressure, the more grip you're gonna get. The higher the tire pressure, the less grip you're gonna have. In the very simplest form, there's a lot that goes into it. So after the event, I noticed that the front tires were rubbing the front sway bar. So I ordered up some front extended wheel studs and some wheel spacers. Hopefully we can get some more clearance to that front sway bar and we won't be rubbing it full lock. Alright, I already removed the brake caliper and the brake rotor. Took a wire brush to the hub here, sprayed it with some spray paint. Real quick, a light coat. You don't want to do too heavy of a coat. You don't want to make the hub surface uneven. So I tried to keep it light. Don't mind the bungee straps. The only thing I had to hold up the caliper. And got these new extended studs. I'm going to show you how to install them. Alright, so we already hammered out the old wheel studs. You just basically hit the head with a hammer, hit it out through this recessed cutout. There's nothing to it. We got our new extended wheel studs we're gonna put in. Slide it to the back. Like that. Take your wheel stud installer. That. Take a lug nut. Thread it on. Make sure it's centered. And center hole. Easy as that. Installed the wheel studs and the spacers, got that all done, so hopefully there's a little bit more clearance for the angle kit. But that's all I got for y'all today. In the next video, I'll have another drifting video coming out for y'all, and there'll be a lot more footage.